I cannot believe how fast this year is going. It is almost the end of March and it just feels like it was only Christmas. So this is a monthly favourites video, my last monthly favourites video. Even though it has monthly in the title, I don't do them every month. My last monthly favourites video was in October. That video was all about more ethical choices. I showed you reusable shopping bags and some beautiful New Zealand jewellery. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you more makeup, skincare and hair care items. If you like monthly favourite videos, then you're in the right place. I will try my hardest to bring you monthly favourite videos versus just once every now and again. Thanks for stopping by. My channel is, as always, 100% vegan and cruelty free. So let's have a look at some of the things that I really loved in the month of March. I'm going to start off with face care items. This is the Just to Clarify Jelly Face Mask from Lush. I did do a video on all of their jelly masks, so you can check that one out. I will link that here for you. So the Just to Clarify Jelly Face Mask is orange and it smells like papaya. You can see that I have really dug into this one. So you just scrape a small amount out, smudge it around in your fingers and slap it on your face. Ooh, I'm dropping it everywhere. I personally love the smell of this jelly face mask. It has got papaya for brightening your skin, bamboo stem for exfoliation, and I will say when you take it off, just like I explained in my full jelly mask video, it is quite abrasive. So I really like that because I like to get rid of all the dead skin cells and leave my face feeling really nice and clean. I like these face masks because you don't have to refrigerate them, you can just keep them in your bathroom cupboard, take them out as you need. This is the Mascara. I really hope I'm pronouncing that right. This one is their Vitamin C Beauty Serum. This one here has got hyaluronic acid in it, which I really like because that keeps the moisture in your skin. It says it's got 20% vitamin C in this serum. From memory, I don't really think it has that much of a scent. Oh, it's a little bit orangey, but not too much. I keep this one in my bathroom and I just use it morning and night. I am going to start bringing you more skincare videos very soon. This was sent to me all the way from California, so very, very exciting. I'm sure there is a previous vlog of mine that has an unboxing of this brand. They sent me a few other bits and pieces, so I'll make sure I make a video around their products. I've been really enjoying using this beauty serum as a facial moisturizer morning and night. It's really lightweight, so it just doesn't really feel like you're wearing anything. Some serums can be quite oily or quite heavy. This one is not either of those things. I like the smell, I like the way it feels on my skin, and it'll be interesting to see at the end of the bottle what my skin looks like. Keeping in the bathroom, but moving on to here, I'm going to show you the shampoo and conditioner that I have been using. So I am really into the Lush shampoo bars. I am really into the Lush shampoo bars. I just keep a little container like this and I stick it in. Honestly, why is there so much here? So this is the container that I keep it in. I just stand it upright and try to have it not touching the sides, and that's just how I store it. It will dry out until the next time I'm ready to use it. These shampoo bars foam up really, really well. Now this one here was a limited edition one. It was the Easter Wash Behind Your Ears shampoo bar. At first I sort of thought, oh, I don't really know about the scent, it smells very, very acidic, but I am really, really loving this one. It keeps my hair very clean. I was previously using Jason and the Argan Oil, but I just found it gave me too much oil. My hair wasn't really lasting as many days because I like to only wash my hair once a week if possible. But this one here just, yeah, it really smells fresh and clean inside the shower. And it leaves my hair feeling really nice and soft as well. I love that there's no packaging, so it is a zero waste product. Super easy to store it, and it lasts me maybe, I'm gonna say 15 washes. I do use this bar of shampoo soap lathered up twice every time I wash my hair. So I will lather it in my hands and all through my hair, rinse that out, repeat that process, and then condition. And the conditioner that I have been loving is the Sukin Protein Conditioner. I did post a picture of this shampoo and conditioner duo on my Instagram, so you can check that picture out if you're wanting more details. I only put conditioner through the ends of my hair, so after I've done the shampooing twice, I will stop the shower and really wring out my hair, really dry it out. Then I'll get the conditioner, which smells divine. Oh, now it's on my lips. It almost smells a little bit like tea tree. It's a thick white conditioner. I wonder if it's got tea tree in it. It's got tangerine, orange, mandarin, lavender. I can't really see tea tree. Why does it smell like that though? It smells really nice. I will then get this conditioner, put a small amount in my hands and run that through the ends of my hair, wrap my hair up, go back to showering for about 5 or so minutes, rinse it out, and that is how I do my shampoo and conditioner. It says on the bottle, suitable for fine hair. I do not have fine hair. I have very, very thick hair. I'm not sure why I picked this one up. I think it was because it was at the pharmacy that I work at and I thought, oh, that's a decent sized bottle that's going to last me a really long time, without really reading it. Even though it says that it's suitable for fine hair, I have been very thoroughly impressed with this one and I'm really enjoying it. Last bathroom item is this deodorant from Nature's Gate. Again, I bought this one from the pharmacy where I work. It is vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO, soy-free and aluminium-free. I bought the scent Summer Spice, probably because that one was the most neutral one that I could find. I found that the Nature's Gate deodorants all had like a little bit of a spicy scent to them, like summer spice, winter breeze, spring ocean, along those lines. I'll link their range in the description box down below. I generally have found that you can buy the Nature's Gate deodorants from your pharmacies or online. I'm assuming places like your natural health food shops, Wise Cicada, or your Hardee's, your Health 2000, all of those types of stores would also stock these types of natural deodorants. So it's a natural deodorant stick, you just roll it up from the bottom. I really like natural deodorants that have slight antiperspirants as well. I would say this one fits into that category. I haven't found many like that, to be honest, so I was quite impressed with this one. So I've got some makeup items to show you. This is one of the lip glazes from Anika Organic. I'm unsure if you can still get this one or not. It's called Blossom and I love it. It's the one that I'm wearing now. It's just got like a slight pinky champagne glossy finish to it. I love this colour. It's the one that I am wearing now. I hope you can still find this one because I really like it a lot. I love the finish. It doesn't feel tacky on my lips. It feels really moisturising. So yeah, I hope you can still find this one because it is a favourite of mine. I've been using the Wet-n-Wild Coverall Primer and this was the one that featured in my No Arms Makeup Challenge with my boyfriend John. So you can see a close-up of it in that one. I've been using this also in a couple of my other videos. I really, really like it. It is like a beautiful velvety satin finish. I love the feel on my face. You only have to use maybe like a 20-cent piece size. You don't have to use that much of it to get really good coverage. I love this as an eyeshadow primer as well. That could be why I have been loving this new foundation from Wet-n-Wild. It's their Photofocus foundation and I've got it in a few different shades which I actually mixed together to get my perfect shade. When they sent them to me, they sent a few of their darker shades just because obviously it was summer and I was a bit more tanned. I've got Buff Bisque, I've got Soft Beige and Nude Ivory. Nude Ivory is the lightest shade that I have of theirs. I don't know if it's the lightest in the range. This one is just slightly too pink for me. I'm wearing it today mixed with the Buff Bisque and as you can see it looks really nice. It's lovely on camera and lovely in front of bright lights, which I have here when I'm filming, as it kind of blurs the pores and it's meant to have like an HD finish to it. I really love the way that it looks on camera and in person. I've been enjoying it a lot and you'll see a few more tutorials where this one features as the base. These two here are the Enlighten Me Pressed Illuminator Duo and the Glow Get 'em Pressed Bronzer Duo. These are both from designer brands, so you can buy designer brands at your Unichem or Life pharmacies in New Zealand. They have a New Zealand and an Australian website. I love these two, love them. I must do another hits and misses by designer brands. That first video is one of my most popular videos, and I know you guys are really waiting for me to do round 2, so these will be in there. I love this compact size. I love this darker shade here in their Pressed Bronzer Duo. That's the contour that I'm wearing today. This lighter shade here is the contour and bronzer that I'm wearing on my face. I really love the finish. Yeah, there's nothing that I can say bad about this one here. It's fantastic. So this is 2 pressed illuminators in the one compact, again that same lovely big size. This one here, the more golden tone, is the one that I've been loving the most, just because, and that's the one that I'm wearing today as well as a highlighter, just because this other shade is a bit more peachy. Price wise and quality wise, these are a match made in heaven. I really like these ones. I've been using them lots. I did get them in Christmas. I kind of waited a little while until I had gone through some other products and then decided to try these ones out, and I have been loving them through the month of March. This one here is the Eye of Horus Bio Lash Lift Mascara. It does kind of give you like a lash line as though you've put eyeliner on, and it really lifts right from the bottom of your lashes all the way up to the top. It's great for lengthening. I really like the wand as well. So it's got a curved wand on it, which is perfect for getting a nice curl in your lashes. Formula is extremely easy to use. If you're looking for a nice, natural, non-toxic mascara, then go out and grab this one. I will link some of my favourite natural type of websites in the description box down below, people who sell the Eye of Horus range. Not all of their products are vegan, just a selected few, but they are bringing out more and more vegan products. And this one here is obviously vegan as well. In the month of March, those were all the products that I have been loving. There is a TV show that I've really been loving, and that is the Nailed It series on Netflix. It is about amateur bakers, I would say, and it is hilarious. I have watched many episodes where I was literally crying because it was just so funny. And if you are sort of coming home from a really hard day's work and you want to put the TV on and just kind of chill out and have a really great laugh, then I highly recommend you check out Nailed It, because it is just so funny, so funny. If you're a keen baker like me, you will find it absolutely hilarious, because people do things like take the cupcakes straight out of the oven and then they go to ice them, and of course they're too hot to be iced, and someone doesn't put flour in the cake mix, and so their cake doesn't rise at all, or it's just kind of like liquidy mush that they've made in a cake tin. Oh, it's just so funny. You really have to watch it. It's very funny. I would highly recommend that series for a good laugh. I'm trying to think of some food favourites from the month of March. I would have to say some gluten-free options. I have been trying new things with my diet. I have been eating less gluten. I used to go through a very large amount, a number that I don't really want to disclose, of loaves of bread a week. So anyway, I started buying gluten-free bread and bagels, and I found some vegan gluten-free hot cross buns, and I've been feeling a lot better, a lot lighter, and yeah, I've been really enjoying that side of food. Lots of you have been asking me to do more food recipes on my YouTube channel, so stay tuned for those. I will definitely be filming some of them very soon. I'm going to do more baking recipes, and I'm also really keen to branch out into some mental health videos after I did the video with Shine for their charity event. I hope that you have seen that one. If you haven't, please watch it. I'll link that one for you here. That's about it for my March favourites. I hope you enjoyed this video. Those were the things that I loved in March. Thanks so much for watching. Please like this video. That's the best way you can support my channel, as well as subscribing to my channel. I am trying to bring out around 3 videos a week from now on. So fingers crossed I can keep to that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!